Hello friend, welcome back to my videos about the mechanical watches. I've got new watch which is on the left. That means the one on the right will be for sale very soon, and before I will sell it, I would like to open it and show you in detail that very famous Seiko movement 7S26. This is Seiko 5 SNX997, and here is finally the look on the movement. Another nice view of the movement before we will open the case. This Seiko movement 7S26 is arguably the most popular modern automatic watch movement from Seiko. We can find it in many different mechanical watches produced by Seiko. It was introduced in 1996 as a 7S26A. Then in 2006 it became 7S26B. And in 2011 it began as a 7S26C. The movement features 21 jewels, operates at 21,600 beats per hour, and power reserve is approximately 40 hours. It shows hours, minutes and seconds, and it has a complication of the day and date. It is self-winding bi-directional, so it winds in both directions. There is no possibilities of manual winding, and it has no hacking feature, which means that movement of the seconds cannot be stopped or interrupted. One of the most fascinating things or features of this movement is regarding to the winding, because this movement features so-called magic lever. I was really hoping I can show you that magic lever in the detail, but my camera doesn't have a macro feature, and there's no reason then for me to taking it apart in order to show it to you, because this is the closest I can go. And here I will use my pinset. Here, this is one little part of that magic lever. I'm sorry for that. The movement is also equipped with the dia shock protection, and as a conclusion I definitely would like to say it's a very durable movement. It doesn't need really any maintenance. It's really running for a long time. It's known to run for 10-20 years without any service, and the only negative or disadvantage which I will see is not very precise. The one which you can see here, it's running approximately 8 seconds slow, or even a little bit worse, a day. I really hope you enjoyed this simple video, and please stay tuned because way more videos about mechanical watches are coming very soon. Thank you for your time and have a wonderful day.